Awesome. Guys, thanks so much for being here tonight. Little Thursday special. Thought you guys would have jumped all over this stuff. It's a 5-year Contenders timeline break. 10-12 Eastern Standard Time. Here's everybody up in it. Good to have you guys on board. We got a BGS submission coming up here, I think, after the end of next week. Yeah. So, yeah, it's going to be good. Good to have everybody here. Happy birthday to Browning51. There you go, buddy. But you guys can jump in. Like I said, there's only four. Well, there was only 4 spots last time I checked for the for National Treasures box number 2. So you guys can jump into that. And then box 3 is the last one that I have queued up for the night. So I jump into it. So let me get some sleeves ready for us tonight. You never know what's going to come out of this stuff. So. But everything out of Contenders is always gradable. So, good luck to you guys. Here we go. Right out of the gate. Are you serious? First pack. How about a Tebow and the dirtiest bird alive? Mark Sanchez. That's going to Denver Azudabi. First pack pull, brother. Dude, in 2010, that would have been the biggest thing on the planet. But now Tebow is back. Oh my God, and then on the back, you got Matty Stafford and Sammy Bradford, 5 out of 5. Holy smokes. Dude, first pack pull. Well, that ain't bad. You want to put Tebow, Sanchez, Stafford, and Sam Bradford, then number it to 5, and throw it out here? That's not too bad. Dude. Oh, gotta get a little mag case for that. Woo! Dude. Hey, that's not a bad little hit going to Denver. Wow. Do you get it graded? That's the thing. That, my friends, is pack fresh. First pack pull. Hey, AD even said it. I'm just pulling straight heat, guys. Straight heat. First pack, Denver. Dude, I know, it blew my mind too. I was sitting here like banging my head against the wall. I'm like, why on earth is this sitting here for this long? So, that's not a bad way to start off, though. I love 2010 Contenders. I'm not going to play around. I do. Then you got 16 out of 100. It's a Tim Tebow hot box. 16 out of 100, Timmy Tebow. So Broncos just throwing down the hammer early and often. Are you freaking serious? How about a rookie ink Dez Bryant? Next. Dude, all I'm doing is just pulling heat. Left and right. On card, Dez Bryant, rookie ink. I guess it'd be funnier if it didn't sit up there for 8 hours. Dez Bryant, rookie ink. Beautiful condition. 2010 is hot on the streets. Dude, those are 2 like monster pulls that people would be like, oh my God. I'll take that Dez all day. I don't even know what to expect anymore. I think every card's an auto, essentially. So, what a good way to start off tonight, right? If that's any kind of indication. Let's just pull an Andy Luck and get it over with, right? Out of 2012? I don't know. So we're just in the first box, which is 2010 Contenders, but already pulling just straight heat. Then you got Marlon Moore going to Miami. So, where's Miami at? Mark R. There you go, buddy. I don't know who Marlon Moore is, but here you go. So, like I said, you guys can jump into National Treasures right now. It is up and there for you guys. So we're doing the 5-year Contenders timeline. And the first box was already just ridiculous. Then you got Javier Arenas going to those chefs. So E. Andis, that's your PC team. There you go, buddy. So probably one more hit here out of Contenders, but 2010 Contenders just killed it. Yeah, 2 monsters already out of this first box, and I'll make sure to recap it for us. Here's a short print Dallas Clark going to those Colts. That's one of the playoff tickets. 98 out of 99, Dallas Clark. No. No base. Are you serious, dude? In 2010, this box would have went for $10 badillion. Colt McCoy going to those Brownies. Ryan Lorenz, there you go, buddy. A Colt McCoy rookie ink on card. Put yourself in a 2010 pair of shoes. All right? Just do it just for a second just to see how it feels. Here's what we got out of the first box out of this 5-year break. You got Colt McCoy, Dallas Clark, Javier Arenas, Marlon Moore, Des Bryant, rookie ink, Timmy Tebow, then a Tim Tebow, Sanchez. Oh, good. On the back, you have Stafford and Bradford. And it's numbered out of 5. Dude, that was like the sickest box of 2010 Contenders anyone could ever get, ever, on the planet. So, not a bad way to kick things off right there. So, all right, let's go right to, how about 2011? Yeah, ouch, ouch, ouch on my hair. So if you guys are waiting for National Treasures, it's coming up directly after this. If you guys are just swinging by and you want to grab National Treasures, where's NT at right now? Where's it at? Anybody? Bueller. Can we just hit a cam out of this and just be done with it? Here's rookie ticket RPS 221. So 221. Oh. 221 Julio Jones. Now the thing is, the odds of you getting that card are slim to none. But you can ask Panini for them to exchange it for something else. I've been waiting on mine since 2011. But that's still just another, like, big hit. Was Julio. So, if I'm blowing through the base, it's because it's base cards. And we're looking for the good stuff. So that was going to ATL. So one Buffalo, 87, hitting a nice little Julio true rookie. Will you get that true rookie? I'm going to say no. But Panini will give you something in exchange for it. All right. Then you got a Shane Bannon. Got my face, Shane Bannon. Going to KC. Let's pull all those sleeves out. Nice. Thanks, Mark, for the update there, buddy. So, break 3, or case 10 box break number 3 is probably going to be the last one, so I would jump up on it. Here's Ryan Royster, 70 out of 99. Going to Washington. Contenders just coming out with a bang, which I love. But if NT's more your fancy, let's go on and get it. All right, so we still got, I like it because starting in 2012, then we got the cracked ice to look forward to. So hopefully we can start hitting some stuff in there. Look at Stevie F rolling around. So if you guys are here, make sure to swing by in the chat, say what's up. It's always better with a little chatter going on here in the break. So we started off so hot, and actually we continued in 2011, pulling one of the big rookies in 2011 as well. Mark said it's so formal. Hello, Steven. Sounded actually kind of awkward. No, I'm just playing, dude. Mark's just a nice, polite, very polite guy. It's Greg Salas going to St. Louis, so TK Gizmo. So last 4 packs in Contenders 2011. We're going to find him, Party Crew. Man, I thought that was going to be J.J. Watt, because that would actually be a big hit. But it's not J.J. Watt, it's T.J. Yates. T.J., yeah, get out of my face. Going to Houston. So, Mark Lee, there you go, buddy. Hey, I'll do a recap of Contenders at the end, because the first 2 boxes, Stevie, were just, well, I mean, the 2011 or 2010 Contenders was hot. Oh, come on, Jarrell Jernigan. You got my face. Thankfully, we hit a Julio out of there, but Jarrell Jernigan's the other on-card auto going to those Giants. So, we'll probably save 2012 for the end, but a couple more autos over there. All right, let's go 2013. So this was the 5-year Contenders break, which I love, and there's a good reason why. Tons of rookie ticket autos, which is awesome. Now we're into the cracked ice goodness. Here's a Marcus Lattimore going to San Fran. So Marcus Lattimore going to San Francisco. DeFellas, 21. There you go. So you guys can jump into box 3 is the last one that I have queued up. Case 10, box 3 of National Treasures. Headhunting for ODB and Teddy tonight. Woo, give me a little Giovanni Bernard. Go on, get it. Who's got Cincy, Dog Father. Got a little Giovanni Bernard. 2011 has its, or 2013 has its moments, right? So this is definitely a bang for your buck here, because you guys get to see me open a lot of packs. All right. Here's Zach Sudfeld. Going to those Jets. So he's got the Jets, no motive girl. Zach Sudfeld. Auto. I mean, we can do UBB late night, Stevie. If you guys are feeling it, start filling up those breaks and we'll get really weird. I'm down. Hey, listen, guys. Here's the thing. I'm down to do whatever. The only other thing that's coming out, and it may even be pushed back, is Contenders, the rookie Contenders. Here's Matt McGloin going to those Raiders. And then tomorrow, actually, I have some Leaf Draft. It's that really short print edition Leaf Draft of 2015. So obviously, I'm going to have to do some kind of weird break for tomorrow. That includes a bonus box of that Leaf Draft, so that we can give away those hits since those players don't have teams yet. Here's a short print Josh Boyce 37 out of 99. Going to those Patriots. So Josh Boyce. You're absolutely right, Steve. You are right. Here's Aaron Millette. Now listen, correct me if I'm wrong, AD. Is that short print? Aaron Millette. Why do I want to say that's short print? It's the variation Aaron Millette. If anybody can help me out. Going to those Ravens, so no motive girl. So if you guys missed out on last night's breaks, last night got, I mean, it escalated quickly last night. But we're excited. Hopefully we'll get some more of that, like I said, that super break the next time we'll really see it. Here's 22 out of 99, Eddie Lacy. Yeah, that the baby Russ last night had a triple threads. 101 Russ out of 2012 triple threads, nonetheless. Just pulling heat left and right, Stevie. So last couple packs in 2013, then we got 2 boxes left, which would be 2012 Contenders and 2014 Contenders. But you guys can jump into 2014 National Treasures at a great price, and I put some bounty bonuses on it. So if you're there and you're like, man, I'm trying to get a little skin in the game, well, there you go. All right, so 2013, a nice Giovanni Bernard, but other than that, nothing too wild. Let's go to 14. So good to have you guys on board. Thanks for hanging out. Sorry if I'm a little quiet just during these, but there's so many packs. I want to make sure I get through them. 120 to be exact. Make sure I get through them for you guys. Remember, you guys can submit for BGS grading as well. There's the video in the frequently asked questions part of the website. But we got NT coming up directly after this. If you guys missed the bonuses that we gave away from Super Break, that video is also saved. $150 points. We'll random that off. There you go, 8-man. Good to see you, buddy. So no autos yet out of 2014 Contenders. You guys still got 2012 Contenders, so that's always a plus. First hit, Richard Rogers going to Green Bay. So GB, that'll be, was that BS Kent too? Richard Rogers auto. Hey, Lando, 18. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Haven't seen you for a while. We are due for something out of here. Here's a playoff ticket. Andre Ellington, 123 out of 199, going to Arizona. So good to have you guys on board. Like I said, I'm down to stay as late as you guys want. Right now, the last box that's in the queue is that box that's up right now, which is National Treasures Case 10, box break number 3. So all I know is I'm just pulling straight heat here as of late. Oh, what did I just say? How about a solid 24 out of 49 on-card championship ticket? Derek Carr going to Oaktown. A Mark R. Get it, brother. What a nice hit. Whew. Let me get a little case for that. So rock solid, Derek Carr. Okay, okay. Dude, that card's gorgeous. What did I tell you? It's just heat anymore. Yeah, that's see, TKE's got it. He's like queued up in the grading. You got to. Solid hit out of 49. I love it. I'm excited to get my little paws on some NT tonight as well. And then Calvin Pryor playoff ticket, 92 out of 199, going to those Jets. No motive girl. Calvin Pryor. Jimmy Ward playoff ticket, 51 out of 199, going to San Fran. So Duffellas, 21. There you go, buddy. Jimmy Ward auto. And 3 more packs in 2014. Then we have the ever so elusive 2012. Then he got a DeAnthony Thomas going to KC. So E&, is hitting his PC team left and right out of this 5-year break. And last pack. All right, so gorgeous. Derek Carr. One more box left. And it's 2012. Where's that 2014 NT box at? Box number 3. Anybody? Bueller. Where's it at? All right, 2012. Contenders. Good luck. Whew, I would love to see a nice Andy Luck right now. Maybe like a cracked ice Andy Luck? I don't know. That's the kind of streak Hot Sauce Daddy has been on. Or I'm sorry, Hot Sauce 331. So Hot Sauce Daddy is due. Scared me. I saw blue. I saw championship. Oh boy! All right, going to Detroit. So Browning 51. Matty Stafford. That will be 66 out of 99. I would love to see an Andy Luck cracked ice. It'd be like 10 grand. Like, come on. Oh, come on. Agnew. Agnew, get out of my face, brother. Going to Miami, Mark R. All right, so hopefully we'll have one more. Oh, NT's gone. Why don't I put up the final box of NT for you guys? It's the last one in the case. Like I said, we're doing headhunting, like a hobby box. For if we hit an ODB or Teddy RPA, which we hit one last, or was it last week or 2 weeks ago? But we've hit them, so they're there. So I'm trying to find it. So that final box is up there. So for those of you guys that are swinging by, if you guys don't know what I mean by headhunting, meaning if we hit, not a Nick Perry, but now if we hit ODB or a Teddy RPA out of 2014 National Treasures, then I'll do a bonus box for that break as well. So 48 out of 99, Nick Perry. Going to Green Bay, BS Kent. River City. River City is here. We can all rest. Here's Matt Khalil going to play Win Niner. There you go, buddy. Bye. Oh my gosh, dude. It makes me so nervous every time. All right. Ryan Lindley going to Arizona. So Ryan Lindley to Arizona. Where's that at? He's got a Z. That's going to be Paul K. There you go, buddy. So last couple packs in here, then we're going to just start plowing through NT. So if you're just swinging by and you want to get a spot, final box in the case. Case 10, box break number 4. Head hunting for ODB and Teddy. So jump in it, give it a go. There's still really good stuff in NT. A BJ, come on, man. Going to those Eagles. So Jay Dahlstrom, there you go, buddy. You got a BJ. Come on, man. And that's 18 out of 99. So 12 spots already gone in that NT. It just went up, so grab one. Hang out for a little bit. Get a little skin in the game. We can go, hey, dude, it's Thursday. We can go late night if you guys want to. Here's a Demario Davis. And that's going to those Jets. So no motive girl with the Jets. And 2 packs left. Sports Card Rob is all in. Must have got that flip phone charged up and start buying some spots. Last pack, nada. So, we got Agnew on a real level, but let's recap it here just briefly. So, Demario Davis, BJ Cunningham, Ryan Lindley, Matt Khalil, Nick Perry, Agnew, Stafford, DeAnthony Thomas, Jimmy Ward, Calvin Pryor, solid Derek Carr, championship ticket on card auto, Andre Ellington, Richard Rodgers, I get to random off the 150 points, Eddie Lacy, Aaron Millette, Josh Boyce, short print, Matt McGloin, Marcus Latimer, Zach Sudfeld, Giovanni Bernard, Jarrell Jernigan, TJ Yates, Greg Salas. What do we got here? So Evan Royster, Shane Brandon. That was Julio Jones right there. So RPA, Julio Jones, Timmy Tebow. Then the 2010 was just nasty. Dez Bryant, not Marlon Moore, not Harry Renas, nope, not Dallas Clark, Colt McCoy. And then the nasty Timmy Tebow, Sanchez. And they flip it to the back, Stafford and Sam Bradford, 5 out of 5. Boom. That was a, dude, I would get that, I think I would get that hit graded just because it's, dude, you can't hit quad autos out of Contenders very often. I'm just saying. So these two I would get graded stat right there. It's just a little lesson for you guys. All right, let's random off the 150 points. All right, so use our trusty random.org app. Okay. All right, so third number. So there's 1, 2, and number 13 is Ryan Lorenz. There you go, buddy. So Ryan Lorenz going to grab up a 150 points. Actually, dude, the points are selling pretty decent. Like 150 points are